Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 19th, 2022. We're going to talk about Solana today. We're going to see whether or not can this cryptocurrency even pump. I mean, look at my chart. Yeah, I did a price prediction in Solana on the 10th of February. And guess what? I was looking for the price to go up. And look what happened. Price went down. So what does it mean? Don't worry about it. I got you. I'm going to tell you all what I'm looking forward to into the market in Solana today. So welcome to the channel. I'm going to give you all price predictions without the confusion. So if you guys want to be part of the group, the gang, go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel because this is simple and easy. And everyone else is around here scratching and guessing about what price is going to do by making it complicated. So check this out. When I get my price predictions wrong, guess what? I'm gonna show it to you, right? I'm not gonna hide anything from what I say on my channel. When I get it right, I'm gonna show it to you then. When I get it wrong, guess what? I'm gonna show it to you as well, because we can still learn from what happened versus what we were expecting price to do. So let's talk about that first, and then we're gonna see whether or not Solana is gonna pump, or are we gonna see a huge market movement to the upside in this cryptocurrency. Now, let me zoom in on this chart because, like I said, I did a video on the 10th of February in Solana, and look at this. What happened? Yeah, I wasn't massively bullish into the price in Solana. I was looking for the market to come up here towards 120, possibly to 128, and that didn't even happen. So what does it really tell us about the overall strength of Solana? Is it really strong? If the market could not even go to 120, the market is not that strong. It's just that simple. It kind of resembles that this downtrend is still intact and it is still entrenched. Something is going on. If the market could not stay elevated to at least tag $120, then it tells us that this market is still massively weak and that the buyers are not finding the price attractive at $120. So now we have to reverse our mentality into thinking what we're looking for price to do. If the price is not willing to go up, who are we to try to get in the way and force it to go up? We cannot do that. We simply come through and participate with the majority of the market. If the majority of the market is weak, guess what? That's how we're going to play. And then once the market becomes strong, guess what? We're going to become strong right alongside with them and anticipate the price to go up. Now, I didn't get that right. We learn, right? But now we understand that the overall market in Solana is still weak. So even from a long-term perspective, we need to be leaning more towards what the market is already showing us, and that is this downtrend. Be careful of anyone that is telling you that this market in Solana is a buy, because we are entrenched in a very sustained downtrend. All right. So now let's go ahead and get rid of this. If you were to get out the market now, it's around 19% loss, right? It happens. You're not going to get everyone right. But understand, if we're still looking for the price to go down, you might want to minimize those losses right now, because 19% is going to be a lot better than 30. It's going to be a lot better than 42%, right? So many people want you to come in and hold and be bag holder for the long term. I get it. I get it. They only become long-term holders once the price goes down. But if the price goes up massively, 500%, all of a sudden, you don't hear I'm a long-term holder. Now check this out. We're going to look for the price in Solana to continue to go down. One thing we do know is that this downtrend is still intact. The market in Solana on the 10th of February could not even bring price to 120. We got it. So check this out. I'm going to zoom out because we need to try to identify where are the buyers, right? Where are the people who find a certain price valuable that they're willing to come in and buy Solana? Where do you think that level is? Because we already saw it recently right around here. Okay. So this is around what? $88. The next level that we can see buyers is going to be here around 80. Okay. These are the two levels that we need to see the buyers approach the market in Solana to start buying up this cryptocurrency. If they don't want to buy it at 88, 87, then the price is going to come down to 80. If they don't want to buy it at 80, guess what? The market's going to come down to 65. Yeah, we got to be prepared for these things. They'll let us know whether or not they're approaching the market and buying up this currency or not. Now let's take a look at the chart on the 3-day time frame for Solana. Okay, So let's zoom in on this chart, and this is still reflecting towards weakness. What occurred the last 3 days right here into the market in Solana lets us know that this cryptocurrency is still weak. The market attempted to go up to 120, like I said. It attempted to trade up there around 110, and it failed. Price closed at the very bottom of the bar. So again, there's still some weakness here. Now, at last check, towards the ending of January, we did see some buying come into the market in Solana. Yeah, right there around $88, $90. This is why the price can still be elevated there now. Now let's take a look at this real quick in Solana on a 5-day. We have 7 hours and 35 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. And the way that we see price now, it is still resembling weakness. Nothing over the last couple of 5-day price bars is showing the strength except this 5-day price bar right here. This is the only strength bar that we saw into the market in Solana. And that is starting all the way since January the 21st, 2022. The only positive 5-day price bar we've received is this one out of the last 6. So 1 out of the last 6 5-day price bars is weakness. I mean, it's strength. That's not positive. That tells us that this market is still weak. Look at this on a weekly time frame. So we have a day and 8 hours left. You tell me, how does that look? Now this is in combination with what happened last week. Yeah, this is still weakness. I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to show you the evidence as to what price has already done. We need to pay attention to the evidence and to the information that is already listed on the chart to tell us what the market is trying to do. And it's still weak. So can we still expect the price in Solana to go down? Most definitely. Look at this at what happened on the monthly time frame. Right? Look at last month. Right here. The market fell 41% in January alone. It fell 41%. That's not good. That's negative for the price to fall 41% in 1 month. That's like 1% a day, 2% a day. And now we're here, still seeing the weakness. So I think we know what we're going to do. I think we're going to place some weakness into the market in Solana. And we're going to place some downside pressure. We're going to forecast that the price in Solana is going to go down. Now, we originally attempted to see the price break 120. It couldn't even do that. So we're going to elevate our restriction area around 130, or I'm sorry, 120. Okay, that's where we're going to be. Now, I told you that we need to see the market come through and grab support relatively quick so that we can know that the market is trying to go up. Because currently right now we know that we are in a very entrenched downtrend. Now, here it's going to be our first area of taking profitability. All right, let me zoom in and show it to you. Right here around $88. That's going to be the first spot. We can already tell that the market prior to today elevated the price there. We already know that. So if they're going to do it again, it's going to be relatively soon. Now, from what I've shown you on the 5-day and the weekly time frame, this area doesn't look like it's going to hold. So let's extend it down a little bit further then. The next area is going to be here around 80. That's 13%. Okay. And we're going to get rid of that because I want to make sure that we stay clean on our chart. $80 is going to be the next area, 13%. Third area is going to be down here around $68, $70. I don't think a lot of people expect the market in Solana to go down that low, but we are. We're going to anticipate the price in Solana to go down to that level. First area is around 88. Second area is 80. Third area is around $70 to $68. And that's it. I'm done. Simple, easy. Now we just need to sit back, let the market trade, and come back periodically to see what occurred in this space. Now it's your turn though. Drop me a comment real quick and show us what is your expectations going forward into the market in Solana. This is mine. I want to know, what do you all think? Where are we going to go? Up, down, sideways? What is your expectations? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.